Pereira, vai.
Everything that I don't like. It's fine. It's fine. You can't abuse the woman from 2023. 2023. Till now, you're taking his stuff and running.
I've never abused anybody. And I will never.
Don't worry. No, that's how we should.
I don't know.
Yeah, lelo. Yeah,
njengamanje kunodadewethu la yokuthi amandi amaretisa endaweni kamasipala la eThekwini emveni kwalokho masifika emveni kwalokho sisebenze iminyaka wayi-infrastructure wayikhanda more than 500,000 eyakhile le ndawo into eyenzakala njengamanje masifika la uwabhizekile wathethisa ukubulawa and then wayiyeka yonke indawo unyaka wonke yabona thatha amafakistani bawafaka la amafakistani wona adayisela abantu ezonke yabona masifika la esebenzisa ini na ifurniture kadadewethu nezitsha namabhodwe akhe kade ngibhalela uhlala eMpumalanga ngenxa yestress sokuthi izimo ibhizinisi lakhe la labulawa la eThekwini la eThekwini la eSpringfield. So it's a very bad situation. Intombazane izamela umuntu esifazane kwenzeke i-disaster njengalena amanje ayadelela ke umasipala ngimfonelela ubaba uMbhele izolo wathi uzobuyela kumina usenza i-research emveni kwalokho ngenxa ukuthi kuthiwa indawo kamasipala le urentisa umuntu endaweni engeyona yakhe emveni kwalokho above that kwenzekala into le babiza amaphoyisa bade wasibopha makutholakala ukuthi amaphoyisa athi ngempela sinelungelo ayithatha zona manje in front of police officers. South Africa, we must treat this country.
Come here.
We're taking everything. You must know it. Everything. You can't abuse a young woman.
I explained
Never.
to you.
You abuse the young woman.
No, I explained to you.
You even tempted to kill her.
That's right, lies. That's lies.
Fridge ya Puma. Fridge ya Puma.
Yeah, d'accord. Push up. Yeah,
Sejala njani phaputi nasithi siyisa pha indawo yasibesiyibona ya ayongena kanjani
I don't know. They take it by force, we're going to open a charge against them. Long as you're the witness. Because why? As long as you're the witness. It says document everything. Whatever you need to document.
See, they talk to each other.
I don't know, but there's a charge of theft and assault by this man.
Sir,